Hey guys, Chef Hawks here again. So we've roasted up our turkey and we've got all of the drippings from that, and what we've done, we've actually placed this into the refrigerator so it's solidified and all the fat has raised up to the top and solidified as well. So what we're about to make is our gravy, and our gravy is actually going to be a veloute, one of our 5 mother sauces. Remember, we have the bechamel, which is the white, we have the veloute, which is blonde, and we have espagnole, that's the brown. And so we're going with our blonde sauce. So we're going to make a roux using the fat skimming from the top of the drippings. We're going to add an equal part of flour to it. We're going to cook that down just to take it to the blonde roux stage. And then we're going to have our drippings that we're going to warm back up again. And we're going to add that step by step in there so it doesn't get lumpy. So we have this really well emulsified sauce. Let's get going on this.